Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm so proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video, I'm walking around a brand new 21 plate Mercedes GLA 250e Hybrid that we've upgraded with a detachable tow bar and a fully dedicated wiring loom. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So this car is actually coming to us from Bury St Edmunds Mercedes and they've actually requested a detachable tow bar to be added to the vehicle. Vehicle actually got delivered to us. We've carried out the install and it's going straight back to the dealership, ready for the customer to collect their brand new car. I'm sure they're going to be over the moon with the finished product and install. Everything is done, first of all, to the highest possible installation standards. So basically what's involved in doing one of these tow bar installs on these hybrids is removing the bumper, removing the crash beam, adding in a replacement tow bar, and we've gone for this occasion a detachable swan neck style tow bar, but there are different options available for you guys if you want something else. However, this is a very common solution. The detachable tow bar is really easy to detach. All you do is literally push in the little mechanism, twist it, and the actual neck comes out, and then again you just cook it in, it's spring loaded and it locks into place. So that's the main bit about the actual install, and then the bumper goes back on and pretty much you can't see a thing, which is really nice. However, the main thing is the bit that we've added in called dedicated electrics. On this occasion we've added on a 13-pin dedicated wiring loom. Also we can add in a 7-pin if you wanted that as well. So depending on what you're towing, we generally recommend to have 13-pin on your vehicle side because it maximizes basically everything, all the possibilities of what you could need to tow, cycle carriers, trailers, caravans, whatever it might be. Your car is equipped for that. And if you are towing something with a 7-pin loom requirement as a connection, all you do is you can use a little adapter to drop you down from 13 down to a 7 is the safe way of doing it, guys. So overall, a really nice solution. The dedicated wiring goes into given points from manufacturer. The main thing also is it retains all your safety features of your vehicles. You've also got rear PDC delete. So as soon as you hook up anything into that electrical socket, you engage reverse, you actually get a little tow bar notification on your vehicle, but also your rear PDC stops, which is really nice. The other thing is we've also recoded the vehicle, and that's part of the recoding process to disable that, but also retain all those other safety features that keep you guys safe while towing and using your vehicle. Obviously, with it being a brand new vehicle, there's a lot of electrical features on the car to keep you guys safe, and it's very important that that is there live directly ready for you guys to use and be retained. So hopefully you found the video useful. All our work does get carried out in our workshop facilities here in Cambridge, but hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you want a bit more information about this or want pricing, feel free to get in touch with us. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms, or drop us an email with your registration number, or send over some pictures of the vehicle, or best of all, come by, see us, and we'll go through everything in a load more detail. But thank you very much for watching, guys. We look forward to seeing you soon.